missing someone. No more, no more. I am sad and so low.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachelle Rene, if you don't know. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, I am going to do I tried following so-and-so's makeup tutorial. I kind of wanted to stick with somebody that is of color. No offense, nothing against the white people, I love y'all. But I was like, let me do something like, you know, that would be supportive of somebody of my race and see, like, you know, if I find their tips, their ways of doing makeup or what they use to be beneficial. The person that I'm going to follow is Sydney Lillian. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but she is a makeup artist and she has a profound amount of followers on YouTube, and she just does like really nice soft, well, I noticed she used to do like more like cut creases and like heavy makeup, more so on the side, like on the eyes, but she's definitely changed that. So I was like, all right, I wanna try it, and hopefully I have most of the stuff. It says it's gonna be soft matte holiday makeup using all drugstore products. So I'm like, okay, drugstore, right at my alley. I've seen that when she started her makeup, she already had her eyebrows done. That's why I have my eyebrows done. Let's see.
Look like an honest copy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So in this video, I will be showing you guys this makeup look that you see here. It's the perfect soft holiday look, or you can rock this as an everyday makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna hop right into this look. I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Sugar Biscuit. I'm just gonna pick it up on my concealer brush and just apply it all over my lid.
I didn't have that primer. I just used my Makeup Revolution in Conceal and Define, Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, Makeup Revolution, what? C12.
So, you guys wanted me to do another look using this palette, the Profusion Confidence palette. So that is what I'm going to be doing today.
Okay, I did actually get the Profusion palette, but it's not the Confidence one. So we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna like still use this palette and see if I can get see, it was brand new, I never used it. See if I could get some colors that are close to the colors that she's using. Hopefully, if not, I'm gonna just have to go in another palette, probably like my Morphe palette or something, to accomplish the look that she did.
I'm going to take is this yellow shade right here. I'm going to be placing this as my transition color. I almost forgot.
Okay, so she has a yellow shade that she's using in that palette, and that was like so much more yellow than this yellow shade that I'm gonna use. So we're gonna see. Oh no. Okay, that's a no for me. I'm gonna go in my Morphe palette in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna use this shade, Creamsicle.
So the next shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Fireside, which is, where is it? Which is this one right here.
Okay, so in my Morphe palettes, the Boss Mood 35M palette, I'm gonna use the color, it doesn't have a name, so I'm gonna use the orange color that's in this palette. Okay, the orange is on.
I'm just gonna take my ABH 825. This is a smaller blending brush and it's perfect for getting like right in the crease. So I'm gonna take the shade Bombshell, which is the darkest shade in the palette. It's right here at the bottom. So I'm just going to place Bombshell right underneath the last color.
Okay, so Bombshell is like a brown. So the brown I'm gonna use right here. Let's see. And I changed my brush as well to the Morphe 514 brush. It's a smaller brush, it looks similar, so. Like her brown looks really like darker than mine that I'm putting on. So I don't know. We'll see. Her brown looks so much darker. I'm gonna go in next with a darker brown because her brown is so much darker than mine. Okay, yeah, this probably is gonna be a better brown. Okay, so the brown is on. Let's see what else she did.
So I'm gonna take the shade Latte, which is this beige color. And this color is also nice and pigmented. So I'm gonna pack on this color with my Sigma E54 brush.
So this color is called Attached, and that's in the Profusion Natural palette. So she's just putting it on.
So this is how the look is looking. So I already did my liner and lashes off camera.
Okay, so she did her liner and her lashes off camera. So I'm gonna do the same thing. All right, my lashes is on. My lashes are on. I did my eyeliner.
So on to skin, you guys. This past weekend, I haven't had the chance to go pick up my Pond's moisturizer. So I'm just gonna use this Laura Mercier foundation primer. Good. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel.
All right, sis. We gon' I have the same one. And I'm gonna use the same color. It's gonna seem kind of light, but what I noticed with Maybelline, it definitely oxidizes like a little bit darker. So I figured, I usually use the 340, but the 330 is what I'm gonna use as well. Okay. Ooh, this is so light. Oh my gosh. I've never done this one before. But we gonna see. Okay, so she's using her Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Cool, gonna use that next. Rachel, what do you got going on, sis? I'm white in my face. All right, now let's see. Damn, maybe I should have used spicy brown. All right, we're just gonna go on top and use spicy brown because I'm looking crazy right now.
For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium. And I squeezed some out over here, so I'm just gonna apply it.
Ooh, this is so white.
Terrible. So you guys, I got my concealer blended out and I feel like cream contouring today. I haven't cream contoured in a while. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Where's Walnut.
Okay, I don't have that. So I'm going to go with my usual, which is the Black Opal Stick Foundation in Suede Mocha. Thank you, Lord, because this is just going to even my face out because...
The concealer with my Black Radiance Banana Powder.
I hate banana powder. I'm not gonna even lie, because it's like banana powder is way too light for me. So, and I don't even have that one that she's putting on. So I'm going to probably use the one that I usually use. Where is it? My Airspun concoction.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and set this cream contour with a little bit of bronzer. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in the shade Cocoa Cutie.
With my Anastasia powder bronzer, I'm gonna just do my face. Bronzer's on, it's applied. All right. Let's see what else.
Now I'm going to set my makeup with my CoverGirl setting spray.
CoverGirl setting spray. I don't have CoverGirl setting spray. I have Wet n Wild though. Wet n Wild setting spray that I'm just gonna use. Spray sis.
Alright, so while my makeup is setting, I'm going to go back in to complete my eyes. So I'm going to take the shade Fireside in the same Confidence palette. And I'm going to run it on the lower lash line.
So what I used was the Morphe palette, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to run it under my eyes like this. She uses a mascara, CoverGirl mascara. I don't have that. I'm gonna use the Renegade mascara by Wet n Wild.
Alright, so now that the eyes are finished, we're going to go ahead and apply some highlight. So the highlight I'm using is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter.
So she was saying that she puts highlighter on. And the highlighter that she uses is the, what'd she say? Wet n Wild? Oh, I do have that highlighter.
And I haven't used a fan brush in a long time.
I don't use fan brushes. What? I'm gonna use a big brush and just trying to like fan it out myself and see. Oh my god, it's just a mess. But whatever. I don't even. Maybe I need to use a different palette too, like the actual palette that she's using, because this one is not, it's pigmented because this is naturals. So yeah, no, but that was $10, so it's a good price. It just, I want to use the other one and see like how pigmented it is, because hers looking bomb. But she says she uses NK. I think I have that. I gotta look. Okay, I don't have the NK. I have the NYX in the color. It's a lip liner, and it's Downtown Beauty. I believe that's what it's called.
And for lipstick, I'm going to be using my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Sandstorm, which is my all-time favorite nude. This look.
So I don't have the suede. I have the lingerie, the NYX lingerie lipstick. So I'm trying to see, I have 2 of them. I'm trying to get...
This look will also look great with like a dark brown lip, but I want to do a nude.
It's like there's no in between. I'm just gonna do both and just hope I get like a concoction that's close to hers, and yeah.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on the way, you know. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Oh my god, that was dreadful. But I'm gonna come back, do my hair. Well, no, I'm gonna do my hair, come back, and give you guys a closer and finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. And I mean, with my bangs, it looks better. It's sad to say, but it does. But one thing I would have changed is not going so fucking light on the foundation, not using 330 because I've never used that before. I've always used 340. But I was thinking, oh, since it oxidizes, since I use a 340 and that oxidizes, like, makes me look a little bit darker than when I first applied it. I'm thinking it's gonna do the same thing, but no. That was a big mistake, my big mistake. And I would definitely use a different highlighter that wasn't so pink on the pink side. I don't like pink highlighters. That's just because it's my skin complexion, and I'm more of a, like, I like gold. But like the finish is really nice. Like, I didn't like it because of the pink, but hopefully I could find a Wet n Wild highlighter that is more on the gold side, because I feel like that wouldn't make me look so like ashy, like white or pale or whatever you want to call it. But and I would change the lip choice only because I'm not a lipstick person. I like gloss. Like, I would have just done a pink gloss or a nude gloss or pinkish nude gloss, something like that. Other than that, this is the finished look. I'm definitely gonna let you guys get a closer look, but please make sure you subscribe. You stop and subscribe. Subscribe button's down there. Stop and subscribe, and like, comment, give me some feedback, or even, like, you know, DM me and let me know like who I should follow next. But nonetheless, make sure you guys follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that good stuff. Make sure you hit that little bell button, because it tells you whenever I upload a new video. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you have subscribed, and if you have followed me on my other platforms, I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all the support. I'll be back next week with another video.